Artificial intelligence is evolving faster than ever before. New AI tools are appearing every year, and many of them are so powerful that they almost feel illegal to know. From writing entire articles to generating realistic videos and even creating human-like voices, artificial intelligence is changing how people work, create, and build businesses online. In this video, we are going to explore 10 powerful AI tools that are transforming the digital world and making tasks that once took hours possible in just seconds. Let's take a look at some of the most incredible AI tools available today. The first powerful tool is AI writing assistants. These tools can generate articles, emails, scripts, and creative content almost instantly. Instead of spending hours writing and editing, users can simply type a prompt and let artificial intelligence produce high-quality content in seconds. Writers, marketers, students, and business owners are already using AI writing tools to improve productivity and save time. With the help of artificial intelligence, creating content has never been easier. The next incredible technology is AI image generators. These tools allow users to create stunning artwork and realistic images just by typing a simple description. Within seconds, artificial intelligence can generate detailed illustrations, futuristic landscapes, or even photorealistic portraits. Designers and content creators use these tools to create visuals for websites, marketing campaigns, and social media. AI is quickly transforming the world of digital art and design. Video creation used to require expensive equipment, editing software, and hours of production. But today, AI video generators are changing everything. With just a text prompt, artificial intelligence can now generate complete videos automatically. These tools can create scenes, animations, and even full video presentations in minutes. For content creators and businesses, this technology makes video production faster and more accessible than ever before. Another fascinating development in artificial intelligence is AI voice generation. These tools can convert text into natural-sounding speech that is almost impossible to distinguish from a real human voice. AI voice generators are now widely used for audiobooks, podcasts, video narration, and virtual assistants. Many YouTube creators also use AI voice technology to produce videos without needing to record their own voice. The result is fast, efficient, and professional-sounding audio content. Artificial intelligence is also transforming the world of programming. AI coding assistants can help developers write code, detect errors, and even generate entire software functions automatically. Instead of spending hours searching for solutions, programmers can now rely on AI to suggest improvements and speed up development. This technology allows both beginners and experienced developers to build applications much faster than before. Creating a professional website once required web developers and complex coding skills. But today, AI website builders can design entire websites automatically. Users simply describe the type of website they want, and the AI generates layouts, images, text, and navigation in minutes. This makes it possible for anyone to launch a website quickly, even without technical knowledge. Artificial intelligence is making web development easier and more accessible to everyone. Music creation is another area being transformed by artificial intelligence. AI music generators can compose original songs, soundtracks, and background music in seconds. Content creators often use these tools to generate royalty-free music for videos, podcasts, and online projects. Artificial intelligence can analyze musical patterns and produce unique melodies automatically. This technology is opening new possibilities for creativity in music production. AI avatars are becoming increasingly popular in digital media. These virtual humans can speak, present information, and even act as hosts in videos. Businesses and content creators use AI avatars to produce presentations, tutorials, and marketing content without appearing on camera. As artificial intelligence continues to improve, these digital presenters are becoming more realistic and expressive. In the future, virtual humans may become a common part of online communication. Graphic design is another field that has been transformed by artificial intelligence. AI design tools can automatically create logos, marketing graphics, social media posts, and promotional materials. Instead of manually designing each element, users can generate professional visuals instantly. This technology helps businesses create branding materials quickly while maintaining high quality. Artificial intelligence is making design faster and more accessible than ever before, and this is only the beginning. Artificial intelligence is advancing rapidly, and new tools are being developed every day. In the near future, AI will continue to transform industries such as healthcare, education, entertainment, and business. The technologies we see today are just the first step toward a world where artificial intelligence plays an even bigger role in our daily lives. Understanding and using these tools now could give people a huge advantage in the future. Artificial intelligence is changing the way we create, work, and innovate. The tools we explored today show just how powerful this technology has already become. And as AI continues to evolve, even more incredible tools will appear in the years ahead. If you enjoyed learning about these powerful AI tools, make sure to stay curious and keep exploring the future of technology.